In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your entire Google Drive with another Gmail account efficiently. If you've ever tried to share your Google Drive, you might have noticed there's no direct way to share everything at once. Instead of feeling frustrated, there's a straightforward workaround that involves creating a master folder. This method is efficient and keeps everything organized for both you and the person you're sharing with. Let's start by opening Google Drive. To do this, click on the Google Apps icon, typically found in the upper right corner of your Google services. Once there, click on the Drive icon to open your Google Drive account. Now, to share your files effectively, we'll create a new master folder. You can do this easily by clicking on the New button on the left side of the screen, then selecting Folder. Give your folder a name that reflects its purpose, like Shared Drive. This is where you will consolidate all the files you want to share. The next step is to move all the files and folders you want to share into this newly created master folder. You can drag and drop these items, or use the Move To option by right-clicking on the files and selecting the master folder as the destination. This step ensures everything you want to share is in one convenient location. After you've organized everything into the master folder, you're ready to share it. Right-click on the master folder to bring up the options menu. Click on Share from the list. A new window will pop up where you can enter the email address of the person you want to share with. Type in their Gmail address to ensure they receive an invitation to the folder. Before you send the invitation, here's an important step: setting the appropriate permissions. If you want the person to edit the documents, make sure to grant editor access. If you prefer that they only view the documents, select Viewer. You can find these options in a drop-down menu next to the email field. Take a moment to choose the right setting that fits your sharing goals. Finally, click on Send to share the folder. The recipient will receive an email notification letting them know they've been granted access to the folder you've put together. Just like that, you've successfully shared your entire Google Drive by using a master folder. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need additional support, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one.